back into it.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are into 3D printing, this video will be very useful for you. So currently, I was working on one of the projects where the prints are very thin and having more height. For such prints, we face issue with the build plate adhesion and the prints can come out while printing. In my case, this print came out of the build plate in between and the top layers got misaligned. So for this problem, there is a simple and very effective solution, which is to add a BRIM support. So here, a BRIM is a single layer thick outline of the print, which attaches to the edges of the first layer of the model. So this increases the surface area and improves the bed adhesion. And finally, we can avoid the prints coming out of the plate while printing. So I am using Bambu Lab A1 mini printer. So I'll show how you can enable this option in Bambu Studio software. So this will be the model I'll be printing now. For this, to add the BRIM support, on the left properties panel, go to support, enable support, type should be tree auto, style tree organic, and enable this on build plate only option. If you scroll down, change top Z distance to 0.24 mm and top interface layers to 3 layers. Go to Others tab. In the bed adhesion, keep BRIM type to outer BRIM only. BRIM width 10 mm. Now, if you preview this, you can see the BRIM support. So now I'll give this for print and show you practically. Now the print is complete and we can see with the BRIM support the adhesion is very strong and print also came perfect. So you can carefully take out the prints using a scraper blade. And trim out all the supports. So that's all for this video. I hope it will be very useful and you can use this solution for your prints. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. We'll be back in the next video.